welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to share with you another secret command that allows you to quickly open character map on Windows. So if you don't know this, stick around for a couple of seconds and I'm going to show you and I'm going to share with you this secret command. All you have to do, guys, is just simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar and you want to type in run. Once you open up the run command here, you just simply want to type in the following command here, guys: char map. Once you type in that, hit enter on your keyboard or OK button, and you will see that it quickly opens up the character map on Windows. How cool is that? So guys, if you didn't know about this, now you know it, and go ahead and try it out for yourself. And I hope you found value here within this video. Looking forward to see you in future videos just like this one. Because guess what, guys, I'm coming up with a ton more videos just like this that will share with you, that shows you how to open up a ton of different applications on Windows. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one.